Tax compliance is essential. An internal tax audit is a proactive tool that allows businesses to self-evaluate their tax practices, reduce errors, and ensure that all processes comply with tax regulations. By implementing this audit, organizations can address issues before they escalate, making it a valuable part of responsible financial management. In this article, we'll dive into the fundamentals of an internal tax audit, including its purpose, process, benefits, and how it compares to external audits. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger corporation, understanding internal audits can help streamline your financial processes and prevent tax-related complications down the road. What is an internal tax audit? An internal tax audit is an in-house examination of a company's tax-related documents, records, and transactions. Unlike an external tax audit, which is conducted by the IRS or other tax authorities, an internal tax audit is voluntary and often initiated by the business itself. The goal is to identify discrepancies, ensure compliance with tax regulations, and uncover any areas where tax reporting or payments may have been mismanaged. This type of audit is generally carried out by a company's internal accounting team, or, in some cases, by external auditors hired to provide an unbiased perspective. By conducting regular internal tax audits, businesses can address tax compliance issues early, thus avoiding potential penalties, interest charges, and reputational damage. How often should a business conduct an internal tax audit? The frequency of internal tax audits can vary depending on a business's size, industry, and financial complexity. Many companies benefit from conducting an audit annually, as this aligns with the typical tax filing cycle. However, businesses undergoing rapid growth or changes in structure may opt for quarterly audits to maintain close oversight of tax compliance. Ultimately, the decision should be based on the specific needs and resources of the business, as well as its risk tolerance. Differences between an internal tax audit and an external tax audit. Understanding the distinctions between an internal tax audit and an external tax audit is crucial for navigating tax compliance effectively. Voluntary versus involuntary. An internal tax audit is conducted voluntarily by the business, while an external tax audit is usually initiated by tax authorities due to suspicions of non-compliance or random selection. Control and scope. In an internal tax audit, the business has control over the audit's scope, allowing it to focus on specific areas of concern. External audits, on the other hand, are guided by the tax authority, often requiring extensive documentation and compliance checks. Cost. While internal audits can be performed using in-house resources or external consultants, external audits can be more costly and time-consuming, often resulting in penalties if discrepancies are found. Goals. The main goal of an internal audit is to self-assess and improve, whereas an external audit's purpose is to verify compliance and identify any areas where the business may owe additional taxes. When to seek external assistance for an internal tax audit. While many companies conduct internal audits on their own, some situations call for external assistance. If your business has experienced significant growth, acquired new assets, or expanded into new jurisdictions, you may benefit from the guidance of an outside tax professional. An external auditor can provide an objective review of your tax practices and offer recommendations tailored to your business's unique needs. Final thoughts on internal tax audits. An internal tax audit is a powerful tool for maintaining compliance, improving financial accuracy, and fostering a culture of accountability within your business. Regular audits ensure that your tax practices align with current regulations and help you catch errors before they escalate. By prioritizing these audits, businesses can avoid penalties, strengthen their reputation, and make more informed financial decisions. Take control of your tax compliance with Lucia Co, CPAs Inc. Ready to streamline your tax processes and ensure compliance with ease? At Lucia Co, CPAs Inc., our team of experts offers tailored tax audit and advisory services to meet the unique needs of your business. Whether you need assistance with an internal tax audit or professional tax planning, Lucia Co, CPAs Inc. is here to help. Contact us today to learn how we can support your financial success and secure your business's future.